It's more like a test video. So I finally got my audio equipment. Camera's still an issue with the glare and stuff. Can't deal with that right now, unfortunately, but I won't be, since we look at mostly articles and stuff like that, publications and stuff. We don't have to worry about that. But eventually I'll get a good camera. Oh my god, my eyes are. It's like when when you sleep and you turn around in your sleep so much, you get this. I call them bed eyes. Another cool feature in this is I can test the background music as well. I can play some background music while I speak or while we're watching something, even, and stuff like that. So just a second. I'll test it out multiple times. I love Marcus Werner tracks. They're amazing. This is loud to my ears, but please be quiet on the audio. That's more comfortable for my ears. I think it'll be cool to have in our videos, like some background music. So that was all just an update. Next video should be about Hidden History of Japan Part 2. Then I don't know what we'll cover. Oh, glare again. That's so annoying. But yeah, I'll see you guys then.